Namaste, my dear children. I hope you all are doing fine at home and enjoying your online classes. We all are fond of clicking the pictures. Right from the birth, our parents started clicking pictures of us. We click pictures when we enjoy with our family on a picnic, when we start going to the school, when we celebrate the festivals like Raksha Bandhan, Diwali. Oh, even when it's our birthday or we get married. But the person who is taking the picture always remains out of the focus because that person needs to hold the camera and adjust the angle and the direction of the camera. So that person remains out of the picture. The selfie stick is no recent invention. Ueda Hiroshi and Mima Yuzuru had invented a selfie stick in 1983. So there is an interesting story of Mr. Hiroshi. So what happened was Mr. Hiroshi was a photographer in a well-known company and he was fond of clicking pictures. He visited the Europe and he wanted to take a picture along with his wife. He handed over his camera to a child in a museum, and that child ran away with his camera. So he felt that there should be something with the help of that this one person can click the pictures on his own. So that's how the selfie sticks came into the existence. So there is a saying, need is the mother of the invention. So you know, when Hiroshi felt a need of something, then this selfie stick was invented. It is a long stick. The length of the stick is adjustable. It is having a clamp so that it can hold the smartphone or the camera with that. Young people love clicking selfies. A selfie is a photograph that one has taken of oneself. To make clicking selfies easier and better, a selfie stick was invented. It helps to click photographs or record videos by placing a smartphone at a distance. So basically what happens, if you have to take a picture, you have to adjust your camera on a proper distance with a proper angle, right? So your arm cannot go that long. So that's how the selfie stick helps you to click the picture properly. But they says every coin has two sides, the good thing and the bad thing. So same thing happened with this selfie stick. So in some places the selfie sticks are banned. Why? People starting using it for adventure, they are putting their lives on risk. You can see in these photographs what is happening. They are standing on a height and one person is there who is driving the car and they are using the selfie stick. They are putting their lives in danger. So always remember, use the things properly, use the things wisely. So when you are going to a public place and you are using a stick, there are chances that you may harm the things. you may harm a person, or you may damage a product when you are going somewhere, right? So there are some places, like some museums, the selfie sticks are banned there. So click good picture of yourself, have good memories of yourself, but do not put yourself in danger because of the selfie stick. If you use the selfie stick in a wise manner, it will help you, to create memories. It will help you to click the pictures with your family. You can take pictures of yourself, right? But all we need is to use the selfie stick wisely. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter, the selfie stick. Please enjoy working at home. Please enjoy studying at home. Please help your parents to do the household chores. And here Garima Gurma saying a bye to you. Take care. Namaste.